Namaste. This is Umesh Sajanar, a software engineer currently working in Cisco, living in Bangalore for past 15 years. I would like to share our delightful experience with Home Dreams in Karwar. I am calling it as our. It is because myself and my friend Colonel Manjunath together have made investment in Karwar, and here I would like to share our experience. This is with the hope and conviction that it would help all the viewers to take appropriate decisions pertaining to not only from the investment point of view but also from different perspective as well, which we will see further. As they say, the feedback loop is bedrock of continuous improvement, not only for the self but for the community as well, for joyful living because of the shared learning. I'm sharing this here out of a genuine feeling of happiness, of realistic experience, of moving from a life in hustle and bustle of a metro city like Bangalore to the life of peace and tranquility amidst the abundance of source of water called sea and greenery of Western Ghats in Karwar. My tryst, rather I would call it as our tryst with Karwar, started in 2018 when myself, as I mentioned, and my friend Colonel Manjunath got to know of Home Dreams in Karwar. It was in a split of a second we decided to visit Karwar. We met Commander Rajesh Naik sir, and sir showed us the layout and the only available plot left in that layout. For the first time, I saw such a well developed layout, which I can call it the textbook implementation, and it was picture perfect, which you will see in many of the videos also, which will cover the layout views as well, the actual views of the layout. Backed by our intuition, in no time we decided to buy the plot number 25, and that started the amazing journey and exploration of Karwar, of the gift called Karwar. We booked the plot, and Rajesh sir was kind enough to take care of all the formalities that lie from booking till the registration. It was a hassle free experience, let me tell you, as sir took care of all the paperwork, and all we had to do was come for the registration with an ID card and sign the papers. Being a localite and having known the uncertainties that usually exist in and around buying a real estate property, this experience was truly dream come true in many ways. This is because with the prior experience having known about such legal issues on land holdings, not only in Karwar but in Bangalore as well. But in this particular case, Home Dreams has ensured us of clean land records in all of its projects, and our site registration, rather our successful site registration, was itself a proof for that. Such seamless experience convinced us that Home Dreams is where our dream homes would actually materialize in times to come in Karwar. Getting to know Rajesh sir was so homely, and we felt like nothing short of extended family. The bond and the trust only got stronger in the following days with the constant engagement with Rajesh sir. While we were so happy after buying the plot in such a scenic and amazing location, surrounded by majestic Western Ghats on one side and sea on the other side, with naval base round the corner, which is connected by the national highway, and that connects the Goa on the north and then the complete southwestern coastal belt. Rajesh sir informed us of one more good news of upcoming apartment project coming in the layout. Our joy and happiness had no boundary that time as the opportunities started coming and falling in our laps. Not only myself and my friend Colonel Manjunath booked one flat each, but we also informed all of our friends and colleagues of the investment that we have made, and they are also very much eager to invest here. With such scarcity of land availability in Karwar and ever growing defense establishments, which will ensure the exponential growth in the years to come, we have not only taken care of our investments with great returns, but also a home to our retirement destination, which many dream of. Owning a home in Goa is a dream for many except those living in Goa. But our dreams would come true by owning a home just 10 minutes drive from Goa, and home dreams is making it happen for us. Since then, we have only been thanking God sincerely for all that we have got, and we have got to know as well about this beautiful place as we explored. The more we explored, and the more we fell in love with the beauty and the wholesome prosperity that Karwar brings and promises to us, the more we fell in love with it. I would love to cover elaborately with a detailed YouTube video in a subsequent time, or a write up explaining in detail the experience of our exploration and the beauty of our very own Swarga or Jannat or heaven, Kashmir of Karnataka, that is Karwar. Our exploration in Karwar, providing the experience of retirement destination, has become our joyful journey, which we are fond of, and we actually leave no stone unturned and no reason to pass by without visiting the Karwar regularly. Until now, we never had felt or experienced how by being out of the race, we would be so much ahead in so many aspects, and this is only compounding with time in a vicious cycle. Our deepest gratitude and thanks to our extended family, Rajesh sir, and the Home Dreams. Thanks, everybody, and hoping to see you all in our dream homes in with Home Dreams in Karwar in the days to come. Namaste.